In this video, I'm going to talk about classifications of hormones, and this is part 2 video under hormones topic. If you haven't watched part 1 video, you can check it out too. Let's get started. Classifications of hormones. Hormones are classified according to the place where they can act and based on their chemical structure. Now let's see how hormones can be classified according to the place where they can act. Hormones are classified according to the place where they act. Under this category, there are 3 types: Autocrine, Endocrine and Paracrine. And this picture clearly describes these 3 types. Autocrine, a cell targets itself like this. Paracrine, a cell targets a nearby cell, and this target cell is a neighboring cell. Endocrine, a cell targets a distant cell through the bloodstream. Autocrine, they act on the cell that makes them. Endocrine, they act in places far away from their point of secretion. Paracrine, they are secreted into the extracellular space and act on neighboring cells. Now let's talk about how hormones are classified based on their chemical structure. Hormones are classified according to their chemical structure. First type is peptide hormones, protein hormones, glycoprotein hormones, amine hormones, steroid hormones and icosanoids. So like this, hormones are classified according to their chemical structure. If we talk about peptide hormones, they contain 3 or more amino acids. Examples: oxytocin, vasopressin or ADH, and this is an antidiuretic hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone, calcitonin, parathyroid hormone. Oxytocin and vasopressin are very similar but differ widely in function. They are made in the hypothalamus and transported to the posterior pituitary where they are stored. Oxytocin acts on the smooth muscle of the uterus and mammary glands, promotes uterine concentrations during labor and milk secretion during lactation. If we talk about vasopressin or ADH, it is an antidiuretic hormone. As I said earlier, it promotes water reabsorption in kidneys and promote constriction of blood vessels, increases blood pressure. Protein hormones, they are proteins with large number of amino acids. Example: insulin, glucagon and growth hormone. Insulin allows the cells in the muscles, fat and liver to absorb glucose that is in the blood. Glucagon, it comes from alpha cells found in the pancreas and is closely related to insulin secreting beta cells, making it a crucial component that keeps the body's blood glucose levels stable. Growth hormone. The roles of growth hormone include influencing our height and helping build our bones and muscles. If we talk about glycoprotein hormones, they consist of two protein subunits alpha and beta. The protein units are non-covalently associated. The proteins have a saccharide part that is essential for their biological activity. Examples for glycoprotein hormones are gonadotropins, LH, FSH, and TSH. Amine hormones. When we talk about amino hormones, there are two types: catecholamines and thyroid hormones. If we talk about catecholamines, examples for catecholamines are adrenaline, noradrenaline, and dopamine. And catecholamines are neurotransmitters and thyroid hormones. So these amine hormones are derived from tyrosine. Amine hormones are having low molecular weight. If we talk about steroid hormones, their precursor is cholesterol. They all have four-ring structure of the sterol nucleus. These are fat-soluble, include hormones of the adrenal cortex derived from cholesterol and vitamin D derived hormones. Example for steroid hormones are androgen, estrogen, progesterone, glucocorticoids, and mineralocorticoids. Now the last one, icosanoids. Derivatives of the 20-carbon polyunsaturated fatty acid, arachidonic acid. Unlike others, they do not travel far. They act on cells close to point of synthesis. So this is the end of the video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.